So any advertise on your website, major important point. I'll go to one service. I'll promote by my particular service will be here. Any service you are promoting, search your first of all your service. So this service already have the one image will be there. Yes. This is already have the one keyword is there. So we'll first of all select the keyword. Now in your content, the below option is called shared by 3 option. Facebook, Google Plus and Twitter. So I'm only selecting by your Facebook option. In this first option is called, okay, we can't change the image, we can't change the title and description. What are title mentioned, what are description mentioned, they show on your site, on your Facebook. Here I'm searching for page. The page name is called, I'll go for my company. Target solution and select it. Click for post. This is the same title, same image, same description. What are the mention for title, description and image? Now, same link, I'm changing for title, description and image. Why? Same link will be there. I can promote the multiple places. I have only one link. I have to promote by multiple places. So copy the URL. Select any image.io. First you browse your image. Browse your image. In this select your particular folder. Select your image. Write an URL. Your order title is there. System services in Hyderabad. I'm changing small title here. What I'm changing here? URL same. Image change, title change, description change. Okay, the description type. Copy the link. Click for finish. I'll show the two options: previous post and this post also. When I go for Facebook, when I for the Facebook here. So previous which page I'm selecting? Rakesh Solutions. ID, page, and post. And post. See this. I'll run by two posts in same link. See the difference. Facebook.com/. Always we know the complete URL name to understanding to open the page. I can see I'll open the page here. I am using for same link. I am using for 2 times, 2 different images, 2 different title, 2 different descriptions. The option call is anyimage.io. See the difference. What the final destination? Same URL. Destination will be same URL. scroll down. Yeah, this will be image different, title description will be different. Now click here. They go into particular website. I can scroll down. This will be second option. If I'm click here, they're going to where? These are both are same URL. What I'm changing? Image, title and description. This is a major important to advertise one link to multiple keywords and multiple description and multiple images. The option is called animage.io. This is workable by the website, videos channels and mobile application. Any application to advertise multiple images, one is a website, second will be anyimage.io. If you don't have a website, go for anyimage.io. If you have the website, go with the website. That increases your website views also. There's a major point. 2. Anyimage.io, or you can go for website 2 will be shared. That we can using for free blogger and free WordPress. Free blogger and free WordPress. This to different title description or the destination will be same URL. Is it clear? This is called anyimage.io.